Hey guys, it's Michelle here, back from Fine Natural Hair and Faith, and today's video is going to be a quick one. It's sort of like a quick tip, and it's really related to what I'm actually doing, which is deep conditioning. I wanted to share with you all the deep conditioners that I use and why. First off, the reason I choose a deep conditioner is the ingredients. Obviously, how it's going to perform in my hair. Being that I have fine hair, I look for two very distinct things. One is protein. Not very high on the ingredient list, because when you're using protein in your hair, if it's too high on the ingredient list, your hair can get hard. And if you're not experiencing breakage, you really don't need a heavy dose of protein. But for fine hair on a regular basis, it is really good to use a product that has some protein in it for maintenance. So I look for a light protein in the product or further down on the ingredient list, and beneficial oils and just rich in oils. It's something about the oils in the conditioner that helps your hair to keep its moisture levels balanced. One of the products that I like to use in my hair for deep conditioning is the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. That's this product right here. And the reason I choose this one is the same reason that I choose all of the other ones. It contains some protein in it, and it's sort of midway on the ingredient list. This contains hydrolyzed keratin. It is kind of further down on the ingredient list, but it's also very rich in oils. A second product that I use to deep condition my hair with is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Hair Mask. This is an anti-breakage and repair hair mask, and I really love this product. I like to infuse most of my deep conditioners with some herbs, but these deep conditioners can stand on their own. This product contains silk amino acids, and it's also very rich in nutrients, oils that help to lubricate the hair and also help to balance out some of that strength. Last but not least, Camille Rose Naturals Coconut Water Penetrating Conditioner. I've been using this one the longest, and this is another product that is rich in oils. While this product does contain some coconut in it, it's not like coconut oil where your hair can get a little bit hard once you use it. It's just very rich in a number of oils, and this also has aloe vera juice in it, which helps to moisturize the hair. Those are the three deep conditioners that I use. Those are the only three that I use. I did try the Natty Naturals deep conditioner, but I mentioned in a previous video, it began to turn to liquid on me. I don't know if it's because the shelf life of it is, you know, not as high as the others, but I chose to stop using that and to just stick with the three that I've been using consistently that I know helps to keep my fine hair very strong. So that's it. Let me know, what deep conditioners do you use that you feel really help to give your hair that balance of strength and moisture? In other news, in my next video, because I'm deep conditioning right now, it's going to be a while, because as I mentioned before, if you've watched my previous videos, I do tend to do my hair pretty late, hence the reason why I'm also losing a lot of my daylight. We've had daylight savings time, but anyway, daylight savings. We lost an hour. No, we gained an hour. Y'all.
We gained an hour, so I am losing daylight, meaning it's getting late as I'm doing my hair.
However, once I finish rinsing out the deep conditioner and everything, I'm going to hop into the bathroom, stretch out my hair, and in my next video I will share with you all how I do my loose twists. It's going to be a long process of twisting this hair, and I also want to share something with you that was sent to me, but stay tuned to that video, because that's actually going to help you when you need to sit up late at night doing your hair. This is going to help you stay awake, right? I'll catch you in the next video.